Welcome back, guys, to the YXE Waste Tour. Rowan and I went out to the Westside Compost Depot a few days back. Luckily, Rowan had some grass that needed cutting, so we didn't go empty-handed. We got there and the gate attendant made the drop-off super easy. He just asked us what we had and told us where to dump it. Using the depot keeps yard waste out of the landfill. It also makes great compost and mulch for Saskatoon's parks, gardens, and is free for personal pickup. I'm starting the garden a little late this season, so I made sure to grab some compost before we left. While we were there, I got to ask Roland a few questions about the rules of the depot.
The things that we see the most are untarped loads, bringing elm wood. We also see children in the vehicle or pets in the vehicle allowed to run free. Also to remember, we don't allow or want any litter or garbage. People should know they need to follow the directions of the staff once they arrive on site. Because we have many pieces of heavy equipment, we would like there to be a safe place for them to unload.
We went to the Westside Depot. Remember, there is also a depot on the east side of town, but it's only for drop-off. Check out the city website for any info you may need. That's it for this week. Next week, you can see how the household hazardous waste drop-off event went for us.